Hey, my name's Rocco Eisenberg at Neil Huffman Acura, and you just bought your brand new Acura, and you want to know how to hook up your phone? So today, that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do. Alright, so you're inside the car and you want to hook up your phone. The first thing you want to do is you want to get to this touchpad. It controls the entire text screen. So you're going to use the touchpad and you're going to swipe it just like a phone. You're going to go to the Bluetooth option right in the top left. You're going to click it, connect a device. So when you turn on your phone, you're going to want to go down to the Bluetooth settings, connect the device, wait for it to pop up. It's going to be right there on the very bottom. Click it just like that. It'll end up showing you a pairing code. You'll click pair up there. You'll click pair on the car as well. You can allow your favorite contacts on there. I'm not going to do that. We are going to get rid of this car eventually. And just like that, it hooks up straight to Bluetooth. You have the option to go to CarPlay, or you can just hook up with Bluetooth. I'm going to show you CarPlay. It's a lot of the questions we get is how to hook up to CarPlay as well. This is also going to be the same outcome. You'll click continue down there. You'll hit this notification on your phone. You'll click use CarPlay just like that. And just like that, it'll hook up the entire CarPlay for you. So you can use your app, stuff like that. You can go to the side and you can go through your music as well.